Ever feel like your smartwatch is constantly screaming for your attention? A beep here, a vibration there, and a massive screen glowing on your wrist all day long. It is exhausting. But what if you could get all that incredible fitness data without any of the digital noise? Well, the tech world is buzzing right now because Garmin might have the ultimate solution. It is called the Garmin Cirqa. It is rumored to be a completely screenless smart recovery band. No display, no distractions, just pure data. It is specifically designed to track your sleep, your stress, and your daily recovery. Think of it as Garmin's direct answer to the Whoop band. It is for people who want elite health tracking without wearing a bulky smartwatch 24/7. If you are tired of screen fatigue but still want to optimize your health, this could be the game changer you have been waiting for. The concept behind the Garmin Cirqa actually makes a lot of sense. Imagine a lightweight, minimalist strap that sits comfortably on your wrist. It quietly measures your heart rate variability, logs your sleep stages, and monitors your body's energy levels. Because it does not have a power-hungry screen, the battery life could easily last a full week or even more on a single charge. For hardcore runners, cyclists, and fitness enthusiasts, this sounds like a dream come true. It is especially appealing if you are already inside the Garmin ecosystem. You can wear your high-end Garmin GPS watch during your heavy workouts and then switch to the Cirqa for casual wear and overnight sleep tracking. All your data syncs into the same Garmin Connect app seamlessly. It sounds like the perfect, hassle-free setup for data nerds. But here is where things get tricky. We need to look past the hype and focus on reality. As of right now, almost everything we know about the Garmin Cirqa comes from early leaks and insider reports. We do not have months of real-world testing yet. And for a device that relies entirely on recovery tracking, data accuracy matters immensely. If your recovery score is wrong, your entire training schedule goes off track. Historically, Garmin's sleep tracking has faced some heavy criticism from users. While it has improved massively over the last couple of years, many athletes still report inconsistencies when you compare it to the pinpoint accuracy of Apple or Fitbit. If Garmin wants the Cirqa to truly beat Whoop, their sleep and recovery algorithms need to be absolutely flawless right out of the gate. Another massive factor to consider is the complete lack of a display. This is a love it or hate it feature. If you are used to glancing down at your wrist to check your live running pace, read incoming text messages, or just see the time, the Cirqa will disappoint you. It does not offer any traditional smartwatch features. You cannot see your live workout stats while you are in the middle of training. You have to open your smartphone app to see anything at all. For some people, this screenless design is a major blessing that reduces daily screen time. For others, it is a total deal breaker that feels like taking a massive step backward. You have to ask yourself if you are truly ready to give up your wrist screen. So what is the bottom line on the Garmin Cirqa? Here is my honest opinion. If you are already a dedicated Garmin user who loves their data ecosystem but hates sleeping in a massive, heavy adventure watch, this product is going to be incredibly interesting for you. It fills a very specific niche perfectly. However, if you are looking for an all-in-one smartwatch, or if you demand the absolute gold standard in sleep tracking, you might want to wait for the official reviews to drop before spending your hard-earned money. It has massive potential, but it needs to prove itself in the real world first. If you like the video, subscribe to the channel, share the video with your fitness friends, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.